GMT sort of rose 42.29% in 7 days, which generally is very huge. Bull controlled GMT's exceptionally current cost activities, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN for the most part is floating at $688,912,110 in a huge manner. Current STEPN cost in every practical sense is $0.62. 15 July 2023. In this article, we will walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually all things considered, sought clarification on some things, facts, what explicitly is extremely transient cost expectation for STEPN. Truly is GMT and in every way that really matters, wise venture, STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth. Be that as it may, prior to jumping truly profound into the GMT specialized examination in every practical sense, let us certainly discuss the very current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,216,031,446,891, which fundamentally is very critical. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $29,444,606,376 in a very large manner. Bitcoin shares 48.43% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially significant manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%, which certainly is genuinely critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a cost increment of 0.72%. Coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.55 following a value change of 2.36% inside a similar time span, which basically is genuinely critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 1.8, and at present exchanging at 72 cents. Showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, generally is up by 1.8, and right now exchanging at 72 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25%. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market generally is going in a truly descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, which basically shows that these occasions really demonstrate that the market in every way that really matters is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for kind of transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an essentially broad by and large bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very huge manner. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that furthermore. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25% in a genuinely enormous manner. Support generally is a level at which purchasers generally become most certainly more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they thought. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which merchants in every practical sense move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which especially is genuinely critical. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, by and large is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the truly beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 42.29% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 688,912,110.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $369,248,871 United States dollars. So these occasions really demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in an essentially descending course for present moment, which for the most part shows that these occasions sort of show that the market is going in a genuinely descending bearing for transient in a truly significant manner. There in a real sense are very nearly 600 million, especially are available for use out of 6 billion. Which really is genuinely huge. Stepn Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for 15 July 2023, inside a for the most part day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of underneath, in a sort of significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI moving in every practical sense, normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA to essentially examine the future development of the STEPN, exhibiting how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a sort of descending course for commonly present moment, which especially shows that these occasions especially show that the market most certainly is going in an exceptionally descending heading for sort of present moment, which certainly is very critical. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 37, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, while GMT's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signal really is especially conceivable at this reach kind of additional appearance how as of now an extremely broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which sort of is very huge. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in a fundamentally large manner. STEPN financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day diagram, which especially shows what especially broad about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $30,311.21 level, after a vertical development of 0.25% in a genuinely huge manner. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost may especially track down help at these pivotal degrees of 54 cents, 48 cents, moving underneath these levels, could really carry the cost to 43 cents, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.72%, coming to $1,931.55 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense enormous way. On the opposite side, the obstruction levels most certainly are at 65 cents and 70 cents, showing how bull-controlled GMT's genuinely current cost activities, or so they